So over here, if I were to go around onto the devices section, then you'll be able to see the recent devices that you have connected. But let's say what you want to do is you want to go ahead and add in those devices so that you always have easy access to them. So for that, you can actually go around over here onto add, and then you can see that remote device is an option. So here you can go ahead and use this code right here and then add in a device. Let's say, for example, I can add in the device from over here, or I can simply go around over here, click on the three dot button right here, and then I can add this as a bookmark right here as well, and this can be added out as a bookmark device. So I can simply go around over here and see my laptop, let's say for example right here, just like this. So once I go ahead and add that in, you can see under bookmark right here, you will be able to see the laptop, and you can even see that it is recently connected right here. So apart from that, you can also go around and then go to add, go to remote device, and even go ahead and add in the remote device as you like as well. So I'm just going to go around and say laptop 2 right here, and then the TeamViewer ID on the device. So let's just go ahead and add that in. Mind that the device ID should be valid, otherwise it won't accept it. So let's say for example 434 right here. So let's just go ahead and add it, and then you can see that there's another device which has been added out right here, just like this. So if I were to actually go around over here, let me just go around over here onto recent connection, this is what you have. So now there's the laptop 2 around over here as well. So let's just go ahead and add in another laptop as well. So I'm just going to say laptop 3, and then I'm going to go ahead and add in, let's say 774 right here, and then 033435, let's say for example. I'm going to go ahead and add that in, and there's the device as well. So the device is added around over here just like this, and the laptop has been added out. So now if I were to go around over here onto the devices, you can see the devices right here, and you can see the offline devices right here that you added in as well, and you can go ahead and connect to them right from over here. Or what you can also do right here now is, let's say for example, if you want to remove a device, you can simply go around over here and delete it out right here. You can even go ahead right here and then, let's say for example, move it out right here to different places as well. So here you can see that I got the move to option, so you can move it under bookmarks, let's say for example over here, as you want as well, and rearrange where the device actually shows up. So this is how you can go ahead and add out devices to device lists so that you have easy access to them in TeamViewer. So I hope you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.